Hey everybody, it's Plastic Man. Today we're going to take off a locknut that has broken. Lugnut locknut that has broken. And we're going to see if we can get it off with a 19mm socket. 12-point, half-inch drive. Look at that bad boy. Got that just a couple minutes ago from Lowe's. And we are going to pound it onto this right here, like so. Not sure if I got it on there enough, but let's find out. I guess so. Let's try one more time. Okay, here we go. Here goes nothing, guys. Let's see what happens. Did we get it? Oh my goodness! Nice! That's how you do it, people. Just like that.